So I can go around and take my pen tool and make some custom shapes right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here and click, and there you go. I have a custom shape. If I want to go around and further edit this, then I can simply click on the shape and double click right here, click on any spot, and then you can see that I can go around and add in a point right here. This is what I can do. I can go around over here, add in a point, and then I can go around and click and drag this out over here to go around and add in a curve over here, just like this. If I want to go around and select out a point and press the delete key on my keyboard, then I can delete out the points as well. I can go around over here and utilize the Bezier handles to go around and work around with the handle over here, just like this as well. So I can go around and select this particular shape. As you can see, I can go around and change around the curvature over here, just like this as well, as you can see. And I can go around, change around the handle over here, just like this as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So I can go around, change around the Bezier handle over here as well, or utilize the curve option over here to change around the curve as you want. So that is how you can go around and then edit out the points for shapes made with the pen tool as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.